So for those of you who used last night's game plan, you should have had a phenomenal green day buying SPY call options, using the break and retest strategy, using the bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmation pattern green, red, green. It was literally the exact lows of the day, the break and retest level that I gave you. With that being said, I'm going to continue to prepare you to trade the best setups at the best prices. In terms of the end of this video, I'm going to be breaking down all of the massive wins that we ended up having today. G-Roar ended up going 5 for 6 on the day, making over 1,000% plus profit returns. In terms of my own personal trading, buying call options, I ended up going 2 for 3. I'm going to be breaking down all the trades towards the end of this video. First things first, let's get into the newly updated price action analysis on how to trade the best setups at the best prices. So in terms of last night's game plan, history repeated itself, literally the same mirror that I showed you in the previous video, just lower levels. The buy zone was right here if we had a small gap down, which we ended up having, and the first buy zone was right here. We had this key resistance right here at 582 to 581.50 to 581, and then we had this key support right here at 580, right? The key support was not tested during normal trading hours, would likely bounce first. And in terms of the resistance, this is a break and retest level, would likely reverse and bounce first when tested during the normal trading hours in between 581.50 to 582 and 580, right? So in terms of what ended up happening, literally everything I said in last night's video happened accordingly to an exact fucking T. You're going to see right here, we bottomed at the exact buy zone. For those of you who are trading futures or trading on prop firms, you could have been buying calls at the exact best fucking level on a small gap down, 580, the first buy zone, like I had stated. In terms of just identifying that the overall trend was very, very fucking bullish, all you had to do was use the 30-minute candlestick confirmation curriculum that's repeating non-fucking stop at all of my fucking levels every single fucking day. So in terms of the resistance, you're going to see right here, there's some resistance at 583. The SPY ended up bottoming at 580. Then we had a break above the resistance, and then we had a green, red, green. 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 And we had this fucking floor. We had this break and retest in this fucking floor. And this floor was forming at the exact zone that I gave you, at this zone right here. This was the buy zone right fucking here to be buying calls. And we had this floor for fucking hours with all of this green, red, green, bullish 30-minute candlestick pattern territory, man. Look at all of this green, red, fucking green, all this support, all this consolidation, all this bottom fucking wicks. And then we finally had the strong bullish move when the SPY had a new break above the highs, and then it formed the green, red, green again, and then it started to uptrend. So losing is a personal fucking choice. You should have made hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, trading SPY call options today. With that being said, in terms of the newly updated game plan, it's going to be very fucking simple, man. The easiest play is if we gap up. If we gap the fuck up, we're buying fucking call options. That's the play. Now, in terms of where we're buying these call options, if we gap up, so if we're opening up higher than the previous closing price, 583.09, based off of this daily chart foundation, the easiest play heading into tomorrow is if we gap the fuck up. That's the easiest play, right? So with that being said, this is a green trend reversal daily candlestick. We are at key support, big upside potential, and there's still gaps waiting to fill above, waiting to fill above. The SPY has been consistently having very, very successful break and retest using the overall 30-minute candlestick chart as confirmation. Like I showed you in terms of the the video before and then the video before that, right? The mirror, it keeps on working with this overall strategy. We had resistance right here at 588. We had the strong breakout. We had the drop back down. This is the retest, green, red, green, bottoms at the break and retest level, and it bottoms and it reverses the first time it tests during the normal trading hours, extended hours here, normal trading hours are here, green, red, green, bullish uptrend. The same exact pattern repeated today in a very similar fucking cycle at the same exact level. And that was the level I told you about calls. It should have been green as fuck as well. It's just unlimited fucking winning and printing, right? So we had the green, red, green, and then we had the break and retest right here, green, red, green. So the point being is we're going to keep on using this strategy. But one valid point that I want to make in terms of this overall reversal, the SPY keeps on having these break and retest, except for now, if we gap up, it's likely going to be a very strong gap close reversal and gap and go, an overall strong day. Because one thing you need to understand with this break and retest strategy is right now the SPY is in a process of trying to have a break and retest and a gap and go if it gaps the fuck up. And it hit a more oversold zone. This is a very strong oversold zone, as you can see right here, with massive upside potential where it can quickly run to that 589 territory. And SPY tends to have the strongest and biggest reversals when it hits those oversold levels with an alignment of the break and retest strategy, right? So when the SPY had the break and retest right here at 589, it had a nice move, but then it just kept on selling off. In terms of, it's likely going to be very different this time. This time it had the massive move, and then it sold off into the close, right? Very, very similar in terms of the previous day. Literally the same exact fucking pattern to a similar cycle, right? Everybody knows, set the profit stop, sell into the moves when calls run deep into the money, losing is personal fucking choice. With that being said, the most likely outcome is sane. Since we're at a more oversold level, we're due for that bigger spike, for that uptrend, where the SPY really starts to hold those gains and recover. And that tends to happen when it drops the lowest, right? You can see right here, it was at a much higher level, kept on selling off, had a nice spike at the new game plan, then it dropped right back off. So the point being is, this is very unlikely to keep on fucking happening, especially heading to tomorrow. If we gap up, we're at a more oversold level, and based off of the daily chart pattern, as long as we are gapping up, maintaining above the previous closing price, we are going to be setting up for a strong move where the SPY starts to spike back up to the wick, to the previous day highs. The previous day highs at 586.62. You're going to see right here, lots of similarities, man. So you're going to see right here, just go back throughout the daily chart. It has the same daily candlestick. As long as the SPY is bottoming towards the previous day lows to previous closing price, it's going to start to retest the previous day highs, and then towards the previous day highs is where we can have a small pullback, right? So the main focus is going to be buying call options towards the previous closing price and using break and retest strategies if we gap up. Now, if we are gapping down, it's going to be a bit more difficult. But if we are gapping down, the game plan is going to be the following. If we're gapping down, these are going to be the levels for calls. 500 and so in terms of the low of day was right here, literally at the fucking level. This is the level these are the fucking levels I gave you, literally the fucking lows. This is the fucking zone. Do you see this fucking zone? This is my fucking zone. You understand? This is the exact fucking lows. Nobody's putting you on to this information. Nobody's showing you how to trade the best setups for those prices. So in terms of the overall updated zone, it would be towards 580 to 581. But look, man, if we're gapping down, these are the levels for calls. 580 is a phenomenal fucking level for calls if we gap down. The next level is going to be right here, 578 to 577.50. Those are the two buy zones for calls if we gap down. If we gap up or if we open up flat, we're going to be looking at the higher levels. Previous closing price, 583.09. Now, what's the break and retest levels where the SPY is going to have some massive fucking moves? The higher break and retest level is going to be right here, $1 above the previous closing price, 584. We break above that, react to support, we're going to be going into the 586 ranges. Now, in terms of puts, this is what I want you to be aware of. In terms of the overall market, we're currently experiencing, some resistance right here at this 586.50 overall level, right? So this can be a potential drop zone. We can even potentially see a small pullback right here at this breakdown and retest level at 585.80. I mean, the absolute best levels for puts would be right here, 591.30 to 593, right? If that were to reach tomorrow. But like I said, man, it's going to be very fucking simple. If we gap up, we're going to be looking at the higher levels for calls. And look for the bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, man. It's all fucking there. The same fucking patterns. It's literally a mirror. It keeps on appearing. It keeps on appearing. This chart right here, markets close, it's literally a fucking reflection, man. Like green, red, green, it was at the break and retest. Green, red, green, it was at the break and retest. Green, red, green is at the break and retest. Green, red, green is at the break and fucking retest, man. Use the break and fucking retest with the green, red, fucking green. You're going to be green every single fucking day when it fucking forms. So, anyways, man. Like I said, just buy the fucking calls if we gap up 583.09 and then 584. This is a break and retest level. Once we go above 584, we're going to see that very, very nice move. Where we could potentially have a small drop is that 585.70 breakdown retest. The previous day high is 586.60. Now, if the SPY does go above that 588.60, the next level we're going to go to is 588. And then the next level above that is going to be 591. Next level above that is going to be 593. So, I mean, the main fucking game plans is if we gap the fuck up, we're looking at calls in between 583, previous closing price, gap close reversal, and break and retest at 580 fucking 4, right? And if we gap down, or if it's just reacting bearish, we're looking at calls at 580, right around that low 580 zone, and 578. So, I mean, that's the main game plans, man. The focus is going to be on calls. Now, one thing I will say is based off this daily chart pattern, if the SPY does open up with a small gap down, it could potentially drop, not like a massive drop, but it could potentially drop. So one thing I will say is if we are opening up with a gap down, use the best confirmations. I'm telling you, based off of what I'm seeing right now, it might be a bit more difficult to be trading heading into tomorrow based off the game plan if we're having a gap down. So if we're having a gap down, be very meticulous with the confirmations and levels. So, like I said, if we do gap down, it could potentially just drop and be kind of bearish, but we could still bounce first and have small reversals at the overall levels if it doesn't flip bullish on the overall day. But just keep your eyes on that 580, to 580.50 and that 578 for call options. Use the best confirmations, especially on a gap down. The reality of what I'm seeing is if we do gap down, there could be great opportunities for puts. And if you were to try a quick opportunity on a put, in terms of the overall levels with this video, what I would say is if we gap the fuck down, you can try this like 582. If we go below 582, spike, react as a resistance, form lower highs, you could try a quick put towards the open. That's another idea, right? So the main idea is if we gap down, you could try a quick put if you're seeing bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations towards that 582, below 582. You can keep your eyes on calls on a gap down at that low 580 and 578. And just understand, we could potentially have a bearish day if we do gap down, but keep your eyes on calls as well. It could reverse bullish. It's like a 50-50 in that sense, but I've seen patterns where it can have an overall bearish day. So that's where the overall daily, the daily foundation is lacking in that sense, but we still have solid, game plans and trade ideas with that. Like I said, the main put idea, if we gap down, would just try puts below 582. If we gap down, that'd be the main put idea. Below that, you can try quick scalps on calls. The trend might not be super bullish, but it should try to bounce first at 580 and 578 to 577. And then if we gap the fuck up, a lot fucking simpler. If we gap the fuck up, calls at 583.09, break and retest at 584. Those are the two main plays. The calls at 583 is a gap close reversal key support. And then 584 is extended hours resistance, break, retest. When it hits normal trend hours, react as fucking support. And then ride it back up to 585.70 to 586.50. That right there, in terms of that, like those levels, those are the most likely levels for tomorrow. And just understand that, especially if we gap the fuck up. But just understand, man, the SPY is overdue for that move. The SPY is overdue for that fucking move back to 586.60. And then it could potentially drop. The reality of this situation is it could potentially be something like this where in terms of Friday, it plays out similar to this, in terms of good buy zones, previous day lows, previous closing price, great buy zones. And then it goes back to the previous day highs, right? So in terms of buy zones, this right here could be your buy zones. And then we spike back up to the wicks. SPY is definitely due for that fucking spike back up to the fucking wicks. And within time, likely next fucking week, just looking at this fucking pattern right here, the SPY is definitely fucking due for a gap, for a gap fill play, Another thing you can keep your eyes on, not recommending this, but for those of you who are deciding to swing trade calls, if you do like to swing trade, heading into next week, we are due for that potential gap fill play to 592. It's just in terms of calls, if we gap down, I would wait on that. If we're gapping up, if you want, you could try to swing trade calls as well in terms of runners and stuff like that. Because if we gap up, man, market's signaling a move to fill that gap that's waiting to fucking fill above early into next week. So that's the overall game plan, man. Is that fucking simple? Those are the most likely levels to hit. And then just to give you a more advanced ladder and just to understand if one of the levels hits and reacts bullish, goes up to the next level. If one of the levels hits, reacts bearish, goes down to the next level. So in terms of the ladder that I have for you, 571, 572, key support that's not been tested. That's the best fucking level. Break and retest right here at 573, best fucking level for calls. Again, you could use these like further on into next week. 577 to 578, great level for calls. 580, great level for calls, especially if we're gapping down. Those lower levels if we're gapping down. Quick reversals, quick spikes, should try to bounce first. Next level above that is going to be the previous closing price, 583. Next level above that, break and retest 584. Next level above that is a potential short zone, 585.80 to 586.60. If you're seeing very bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, trend versus 30-minute candlestick confirmations, buy puts in between that zone. Next level above that is going to be 588. Next level above that is going to be 591.30. Next level above that is going to be 593. And 591.30 and 593 are all put zones. Next level above that is going to be 594.80. Another put zone, gap, close reversals. So that is the fucking game plan. Just under fucking stand, man. If we're gapping the fuck up, the bulls are going to show the fuck up with fucking presence, and the SPY is going to start to rock, man. And one thing we're going to be looking for is just break and retest, you know? If SPY's reacting overall bullish, we're looking for massive break and fucking retest, man. We're looking for massive fucking breakouts, quick pullbacks, straight back down, right? So in terms of that situation, we're literally looking for, let's say we had a break above 584. The higher it goes, the better. I mean, if we had a break above 584, it's going to try to drop right here first in between this zone. And then if we drop back down, it doesn't have to be at the exact 584 level to retest. It could be slightly higher if the confirmations, green, red, green, are just bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, bullish pins are there, right? We're looking for massive breaks above resistance levels, and then we're looking for quick drops, and the drops don't have to be at the exact previous resistance to retest. It could be slightly above if the confirmations are there. That's key. If the confirmations are there, we're willing to buy a little bit higher. It's just forming higher support, and it's going to try to keep on breaking the fuck out. Could be a situation where we could have a massive fucking day, because what I'm telling you is, when the SPY is having very, very successful break and retest like it's been having, it tends to have the strongest of reversals and spikes when it hits its lowest points. We just had a very successful break and retest right here, and then the market had a massive flush. We just had a very successful break and retest right here, and then the market had a massive flush after it successfully had the break and retest, right? It had a smaller flush, So in terms of the fluctuation of this, what you need to understand in terms of how this is like fluctuating, this is key right here. We're kind of crunching. The SPY is in this crunch fucking zone, and the bulls are winning the fucking crunch. Look at this. We're crunching right here. This is the break and retest, break, retest, right? Your higher fucking floor is at the exact break and retest level right here. So it's not reacting the same way it did right here. This was your break and retest right here, had the spike, break and retest. That's all similar. And the drop is similar too. If you look at the fucking drop, the drop is similar too, but on a smaller scale. So we're kind of fluctuating on a smaller scale right here, and we're maintaining this break and retest level, and we're crunching very, very tight within this zone. It's really fucking signaling this fucking gap and fucking go and this massive fucking squeeze, man. It's signaling that basically this massive fucking move right here that wiped out fucking bulls, they're going to try to shoot this. They're going to try to shoot it fucking up, man. I mean, in terms of what's going to shoot fucking SPY up, this fucking thing right here, this is going to fucking rocket it. If we fucking go above 586, oh my gosh, above 586, that would fucking activate fucking SPY to fucking 590s, man. Like if we were to have a crazy bullish day tomorrow where the SPY is breaking above previous day highs and we're going to 590, if that were to fucking happen, we need to go above previous day highs, turn that into support. If that fucking happens, it's shooting up to fucking 590s, man. I'm fucking telling you, we are in this crunch, and it's an oversold break and retest crunch, and it's signaling a strong gap and go. It's also signaling like tomorrow is going to be that, overall bullish move, right? If we gap up, but it's signaling like it could potentially be, like I told you, in terms of next week we can get this move where it explodes like fucking crazy and it fills this gap at 593. But if we can break above previous day highs, have a break above previous day highs, react to support, in that particular situation, it could happen early, and Friday could be a crazy bullish day, man. So look, number one focus is going to be on those fucking call options. But if you are seeing early into the market open, if we're opening up towards like 586 and you're seeing bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations towards 586, you can try puts. That's another trade idea for puts. If we're opening up towards 586 or a higher resistance level, If you're seeing bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations in the pre-market or towards market open, try a quick scalp on puts and then look to buy the calls on lower oversold levels on the break and retest, which could be at 584, could be at the previous closing price, 583. That'd be the fucking game plan as well. That is how you trade. The best setups at the best prices. Now, in terms of the trades that we ended up making, the first trade on the day was on 360 Tesla calls for 57 cents a contract. So at 9:32 a.m., we ended up buying 360 Tesla calls for 57 cents. You're never going to see us put an expiration on the trade because we always go with the closest expiration, right? So in terms of Tesla, it didn't have zero dates, but we went with the closest expiration. In terms of SPY, we're always trading zero dates, right? In terms of stocks, you're going to see the zero dates on many stocks during the Friday trading session. With that being said, we bought these 360 Tesla calls at the market open, our first trade, for 57 cents. We ended up doubling the position size when it was in the 70 cent range, and then it quickly went to 93 cents on the overall trade. Set profit stops at 10:02 a.m., right? So with that being said, this is where we got in. We got in right here at 57 cents. We added right here at 71 cents. And we ended up closing that out at 93 cents. That is green enough to walk away. If you choose to keep on trading, the most you risk on the day to ensure you don't go green to red is 25 to 50% of your realized gains. With that being said, the next win was on 579 puts. We had 579 SPY puts for 53 cents a contract at 10:30 a.m. You're going to see right here, we added, we doubled the position size. You double the position size, you double the gains. With that being said, these puts ended up quickly going up to 74 cents. So that is a massive fucking win. 50 to 74, you're looking at a 50% profit return, double the position size, double the gains. That is two massive wins in a row. Now, in terms of the third trade in a row, you're going to see right here, another win. 578 SPY puts for 47 cents a contract. Add, double the position size on the winners. This trade ended up quickly going to 82 cents a contract. As you can see right here, this is where we got in, 579 SPY puts for 53 cents a contract. This is where we added 53 cents. This is where we added 53 cents, right? That was the play on 579 puts. And then you're going to see this is the play on 578 SPY puts. 578 SPY puts, 47 cents a contract, adding right here 53 cents a contract, and then selling right here 62 cents on the SPY 578 puts, and then selling right here at 85 cents on the SPY 579 puts. Now, that is three massive fucking wins in a row, and we're adding to the fucking winners, which doubles the fucking gains. Do you see? This is how you get rich in a cheap, low-risk way. You put in your max risk per trade into the trade, right? The most you lose if the trade expires worthless and goes to zero is your max risk per trade, couple percentage of your account. Now, in terms of how do you increase the winning, you increase the winning by adding to winners very, very quickly. How do you protect your wins? You protect your wins by setting profit stops, and you move the profit stop up higher to ensure if the market has a big fluctuation against your trade, you get profit stopped out at your profit stop, right? And another way you increase the wins, not just by adding to winners, but winning non-fucking stop. If you keep on winning non-fucking stop and you keep on having massive percentage fucking gains, it's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. And if you add to those fucking winners quickly, you double the fucking gains. This is how people get rich in a cheap, low-risk way. So, with that being said, the fourth trade on the day was a loss. Does it matter? No. Why does it not matter? Not because we have a 75% win rate, 3 for 4 in terms of this particular situation, but because we're green enough to walk the fuck away. It is your choice if you want to keep on winning. We don't even call it trading anymore. We call it fucking winning because all we do is fucking win. So, in terms of this particular situation, we had a loss, right? Is that loss at 52 cents a contract going to be big enough for you to get back 50% of your realized gains? No, of course not. All those fucking gains before adding, doubling position size, you should be up a fuck ton, and you should be risking a fuck ton more after that. And you should be in a position where you can keep on trading after that. Now, with that being said, in terms of the next trade, you're going to see, man, take a look at this fucking trade. This is the trade 5850 SPX puts for 90 cents a contract at 3:44 p.m. You seen this? SPX 5850. Who do you know is doing this? massive morning win on a stock, Tesla. Then we have all these wins on SPY. And then we have a massive fucking wins on SPX. We're doing it all. Who the fuck do you know is printing like us every single day at the speed of fucking light? You're going to see 5850 SPX puts for 90 cents a contract. These are option quote prices moving in real fucking time. This quickly went to 280 cents a contract. You seeing this? 280 cents a contract. We were in on those SPX puts at 90. They went to fucking 280. You could have made 200% like fucking that at the speed of fucking light. Now, take a look at this trade. 3:50 p.m., 10 minutes before the market closes. We outperformed every single trader, every single group that you know of. We outperformed them in 10 minutes. We're well aware we already outperformed them with all the massive wins before, but in terms of this one trade alone, we outperformed everyone that you know of on this one single fucking trade. 5855 SPX puts for 150 cents a contract. So on these SPX puts that G-Roar and everyone was buying in this particular situation, you're going to see right here, we had a member Summon. He's been with us for fucking years. I tried to tell you, man, we have big money in our overall chat, in our community, in our secure private network. Summon, he took the 5855 puts and it fucking summoned to fucking $47,000 fucking dollar profit, man. Do you understand how fucking green our team is every single fucking day, printing at the speed of fucking light, non-stop fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, man? Look at this. SPX 5840 puts. $1,000 fucking contracts, man. Are you seeing this? Are you fucking seeing this, man? These fucking gains, these fucking results, unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop, man. 450% profit return on 5855 SPX puts. One fucking contract, risking $80 a fucking contract to make $355, 443% profit return, man. $5,000 profit, man. I'm fucking telling you. It's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print. Now, you're going to see right here, 5855 SPX puts for 150 cents a contract. Adding. When you add, you double your position size. So it's like adding an extra R multiple. You can size in this trade with 1 R multiple, a couple percentage of your account, and then you can add another R multiple. And the way you're not risking that extra R multiple is by setting that profit stop. You set that profit stop when you're green, it's impossible to go green to red. Now, this trade went from 150 all the fucking way. You're going to see, man, look at the fucking results. These are the fucking results. It's all 100% in real fucking time. 5850 SPX puts for 90 cents, right? Ended up exiting at 1,300 fucking cents. Do you understand? That's over a 1,400% profit return on that one trade alone. 5855 SPX puts for 150 cents a contract, adding at 90 cents, right? Selling at 1,520 cents. Do you understand? That right there is two massive 1,000% plus gains. If you added up all of the trades combined that we made, it literally fucking yields to over 3,000% profit return. So you tell me, who the fuck do you know is doing this? Who the fuck do you know is showing you what it is that I'm showing you? And we're giving you an opportunity to experience this in real fucking time. And before you join the group, we give you the opportunity to bank non-fucking stop with the game plans to become self-sufficient. So you can come in here, not only making money before, but so you can come in here with some experience in terms of our overall trading style and trading systems, right? Look at the fucking results, man. This is unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. Do you understand? That is 5 for fucking 6. So all those massive percentage gains, all the massive fucking wins, the L's don't matter. 5 for 6, 1 fucking L. What does 100% loss matter to 1,000% plus profit returns? If you have a 1,000% plus profit return, say make 1,000% on a trade, right? That means you can have 100% loss every single day for 9 days in a row. You can have 9 red days, and you could still be green having 1,000% trade on 1 green day, right? So that means if you're red 9 fucking days in a row and you're green 1 fucking day, a fucking 1 to 10 ratio on that, you're fucking profitable. But we didn't just have 1, We had fucking 2. Because we're the best. Because we outperform everyone that you fucking know of. Where are you going to find these trades? Where are you going to find this experience? Where are you going to find this fucking group? Are you guys fucking awake? Wake the fuck up. Are you seeing this? This is fucking history being made. This is legacy. This is royalty. This is sacred. Nobody has access to this. The only people who have access to this are the ones in our private network. That's it. You're not going to be able to find anything else like this out there. The rarity, the level, nobody's on our fucking realm. Do you see the fucking trades? People said this was impossible. This is normal to us. This is normal. If we make 1,000% win, it's pretty fucking normal if 6 months later we make another one. You know, it's fucking normal. It's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking printing. Who the fuck is doing this, man? Are you guys fucking awake? I gave you 2 fucking game plans, 2 fucking mirrors to make a fuck ton. You should be in here if you want to print like fucking crazy with those profits you made from the fucking game plans, man. If you're serious about making fucking money, it is the first link down below within the description, man. You're not going to find a better trading alert system than this. This is the best real-time zero-day options trading alert system on the fucking planet. The results speak for them fucking selves, man. Who the fuck do you know is fucking doing this? Look at this, man. This is historic. This is a fucking temple. This is fucking amazing. Who the fuck is fucking doing this, man? This is fucking amazing. Not just fucking once, but fucking twice. Timed fucking perfectly, man. Look at that. This is support right here. That's a breakdown. That's a fucking retest. That's a breakdown and fucking retest. That's fucking perfect, man. That's fucking legacy. That is fucking royalty, man. You ain't gonna find something like this anywhere, man. Are you fucking seeing this, man? 5850 puts 90 cents. Sold 1,300 cents. 5855 SPX puts 150 cents. Adding 90 cents. Sold at 15 fucking 20, man. This is the rarest fucking system on the fucking planet. You ain't gonna find anything else out there like this. Are you fucking seeing this, man? Like, seriously, you guys need to wake the fuck up. Look, go on social media, whatever the fuck. Look at any other fucking trader, any other fucking group. Are they fucking showing you this? Are they fucking giving you this fucking experience? Nobody, fucking nobody is giving you this. We have the best fucking trades on the fucking planet. Nobody hits our fucking realm. There's no fucking comparison. This is living fucking proof. Not only do we make 1,000% gains, we make back-to-back 1,000% gains. I told you on our best days, it's multiple 1,000% profit returns like fucking today, man. Now, in terms of my trading, I ended up going 2 for 3 on the day. So, as you can see right here, I'm gonna pull up my trades here real quick. I ended up going 2 for 3. We had a lot of members hold my first trade. They did very, very well on it. I sold it for a small win, but it was good for me to have a nice overall green with this overall start here. So my first trade for the day was at 11 a.m. I ended up buying SPY 584 calls at 121 cents. So if we go to 11 a.m., why did I buy these SPY fucking calls? Well, if you watch the fucking game plan, you should fucking know. Support, resistance, right? Extended hours, not tested during normal trading hours, break, fucking retest, right? So the buy zone was right here at 580 to 581.50 to 582, right? For a massive fucking move. If we go above the 582, you're going to see mass fucking move to 586, right? Fucking pre-market gave it all away. The fucking mirror gave it all away. So I bought fucking calls at 11 fucking a.m. You go to 11 fucking a.m., you're going to see I bought calls on the opening of this 30-minute candlestick right here. I'm in on fucking calls. Why did I fucking buy fucking calls on the opening of this 30-minute fucking candlestick? Well, the break and retest, break, this is the resistance. This was the support level. I said it's fucking buy zone, 580. We bottom at the fucking level. You could have used extended hours fucking prop trading firm, right? You could have done that. 5 fucking 80. Resistance right here, 5 fucking 82. I looked at the fucking resistance. It had a break above the resistance, right? Green, red, green, bullish. It kept on pushing fucking higher. And then I noticed green, red, green. And I noticed this is a bullish fucking floor. Green, red, green. This is bullish fucking floor, right? So when I saw this green, red, fucking green, the break and retest with my fucking game plans that work non-fucking stop, right? You can literally make a fuck ton of money every single fucking day using the fucking game plans. And then you can come in here and you can make even more fucking money. It's just unlimited fucking printing. Non-fucking stop. It's just fucking amazing, man. It's just so fucking amazing to be able to fucking print non-fucking stop during trading hours, during extended hours, during your fucking sleep, what other businesses. It's just unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking printing. So you're going to see green, red, fucking green, We're all buying fucking calls at 11 fucking a.m. Wow, it's like I used my game plan. It's like I showed up with fucking presence as the mirror. I dropped a fucking mirror in the past 2 videos, and I showed the fuck up with fucking presence, and I said I'm in fucking 584 fucking calls at 11 fucking a.m. because there's a green, red fucking green at the break and fucking recess level. And then I start to wonder, how many people bought calls at 11 a.m. that watched my game plan? Fucking 2,000 people watched it, but how many of them went green buying calls at 11 a.m.? Was it 10 people? Was it 20? Was it a fucking 1,000? Fuck, man. I wonder how many fucking people bought those fucking calls. I wonder how many fucking people bought these fucking puts where they could have made a back-to-back 1,000% returns. Losing is a personal fucking choice. Every single day, we choose to fucking win. We are the absolute best. This shows you, man, I'm showing up with presence, capturing the fucking mirror I dropped in the last video. I captured it in real fucking time, man. And I'm the mirror. I became the fucking mirror. I'm literally just doing what I'm supposed to fucking do. This is so fucking simple, man. The market is literally reflecting back. This is fucking simple, man. So fucking simple. Everyone should have been in on fucking calls. You should have said there was a break. It already bombed at 5 fucking 80. There was a break above this resistance. SPY's pushing higher at 580 fucking 5. We can go to 587. That's what pre-market fucking said. And green, red, green, fucking floor for fucking 2 fucking hours. Everyone should have been on fucking calls, man. What the fuck? Everyone should have been on fucking calls at 11 fucking a.m., right? I ended up closing out for 144 cents, right? So that's $24 a contract on that in terms of that overall trade. $24 profit. You can make a 24 cent. Contracts went up 24 cents. So every contract that you have, you make a $24 profit, right? So if you had 100 contracts, would make $2,400 in that particular trade. Now, with that being said, in terms of my next overall trade, you're going to see right here, I ended up buying 585 calls. 585 calls right here, 30 cents. This didn't work out. I bought 585 calls. It didn't work out. Do I have any regrets for this YOLO? Again, a YOLO is a 50-50, right? The let's buy, this is the high confidence setup, showing up with full fucking presence. Right here, this is the let's buy. I'm already green enough to walk a fucking away with all the other trades that were made inside of Team Roar as well. We're already well more than green enough to walk the fuck away, right? So, anyways, man, this was an idea I dropped at fucking 1:10 p.m. You're going to see right here. 1:10 fucking p.m. You go to 1:10 fucking p.m. You're going to see right fucking here. Give me one fucking second here. Let's see. All right. So you're going to see right here. If you go to 1:10 p.m., 582 is an auto buy level for fucking calls, break and retest strategy, right? So I posted that at 1:10 p.m. You go to 1:10 p.m., you're going to see I literally posted that at the exact fucking bottom. This is just fucking like 1:10 p.m. 582 is an auto buy level for calls, break and retest strategy. That was at 1:10 fucking p.m. Literally, the low was 582.60. If you wanted to nickel and dime it, you nickel and dime it. And then it fucking skyrocketed like fucking crazy. So some members, they literally just bought calls after I posted that fucking messages, right? So that analysis right there, that one simple fucking signal could have made you a fuck ton, right? Using the break and retest strategy, using last night's fucking game plan, man. I mean, it's just so fucking simple, man. Just waiting for these over fucking reactions. I said that because I was already well aware that SPY was on a bullish fucking uptrend with last night's fucking game plan. So we're going to buy calls at the break and retest strategy. So I looked at the fucking 1 minute chart, and the reason why I said 582 is because right fucking here, this is why it kept on having break and retest. If you looked at the 1 minute chart aligned with the game plan, you're going to see that this right here, this was the overall level, this resistance 582, and there was resistance right here, but it already worked. You see break retest already worked, right? But this was a key zone. 582.60 key zone, 580 180 key zone. So if you don't want to nickel and dime it, you just kind of get in towards the higher zone or kind of in between it, right? Because the SPY is going to keep on fucking rocking up. Break retest, break retest. Didn't go to that exact level, but still it bottomed towards this one instead. But the point is, you don't have to nickel and dime it. You just get in between that range, ride it back up, kind of scale into the trade as well if it drops a little bit, or go to second strike. So that signal could have made you a fuck ton. And then we had the 583 YOLOs. This didn't work out. No, this did work out. Excuse me. It was the 585 YOLOs that didn't work out. So my second trade, this didn't work out. This was an L. Now, do I have any regrets of doing this? I have absolutely no regrets of doing this because I was looking at the overall market, and I wanted to try calls. And G-Roar, he already called out SPX puts in terms of 3:44 p.m. He called out 5/850 SPX puts at 90 cents. They went up at the speed of fucking light. The trade printed like fucking crazy. And then at 3:50 p.m. he called out a different strike on puts, right? So I saw a play for calls and I wanted to take it. Now, does this fucking matter at all? The only reason why this matters is because the main reason on why this matters in this particular situation, not the only, but the main reason is because this is a massive move. I was looking at the overall chart and I said SPY's about to have a massive move. And in terms of my overall, intuition and trading, it said to try calls. So I tried calls. But the point is, you hedge. If you did buy these calls, you should have been in on fucking puts too. It's a fucking hedge, man. SPY is cheap, low risk. They were only 30 cents a contract, right? You could have bought a couple contracts on SPY and then you could have just bought one fucking SPX put. You fucking hedge it, right? But the point being is, I don't regret taking that at all, even though it was an L, because I was in a situation where we were both in a play and there was a massive move. So if there's going to be a massive move, if you take one play, you can either make 1,000% or lose 100%. If you take both plays, you can lose 100% on one and you can make 1,000% on the other. That's why I say I don't regret doing that in that particular situation. Was I wrong about the trade? Yes, I was absolutely wrong about the trade. It went fucking worthless. But was I right about making that overall move? Yes, because a massive move. I was seeing a massive move, and in terms of intuition and everything, it told me to try calls, right? So if you do calls, you do puts, one goes up 1,000%, one goes down 100%, you're fucking good. If you just do one, because sometimes in this particular situation, it could have been a situation where I could have had a trade that went up 1,000%, and then G-Roar could have had a trade where it dropped like 50, 100%. It could have been the other way around, right? But the point being is, I will never regret taking a trade if it's a massive move. That's another thing, man. Especially when we hedge, like in this particular like hedge situation, it makes perfect fucking sense. If you make a trade in general and it just has a massive fucking move, that's good. That's fucking amazing. As long as you're in a time where it's having a massive fucking move, that's a great fucking start in terms of timing. If you took a trade, even if you're not right about it. But the next level to that is, if you're taking trades where, you're getting in, but you're on the wrong side of the trade, but they're having massive fucking moves, you're doing something right with the timing. You're doing something right with the momentum and the time and all that. But the next level is a fucking hedge. If you fucking hedge, one goes to 0, one goes to 1,000. Losing doesn't matter. If you have a 1,000% gain and 100% loss, you're still up 900 fucking percent. Losing doesn't fucking matter. It's genuinely a fucking choice. That's why I say losing is a personal fucking choice. There's 2 trades on puts, they went up 2,000%. There's 1 trade on calls, it went down 100%. Losing is a personal fucking choice. Even though there was a 100% loss, losing is a personal fucking choice, right? The win rate doesn't matter. We trade zero-date options. With this system, it's the cheapest, lowest risk fucking system. It is the best fucking system on the fucking market. You're going to see it's extremely cheap, low risk. The win rate doesn't fucking matter. It's the strongest fucking foundation. Now, that one didn't work out. For those of you, if you just took the calls, you're doing it wrong. Take both plays, man. Take both plays. If we see a big move during power hour, take both plays. One of them, when we're right, is going to go up 200% plus anyways. Makes perfect sense to take both plays, Because suppose if you just take one and the other one goes up 1,000%, then what? Oh, you're gonna be like, oh fuck, I should have took both and just made fucking 900. Like, wake the fuck up, guys. Like I said, I have no fucking regrets for taking a trade where it has a massive fucking move and you could just hedge. Now, this one worked. I did 583 calls at 31 cents. These went to 50 cents multiple fucking times, right? These contracts went to 50 cents multiple times during normal trading hours and also during extended hours. With SPY 0 days, you could trade up to 4:15 p.m., right? Now, those are my trades for the overall day. And that's what we ended up doing, man. Look at this. Got out at 586, man. Look at this. We had a member take calls, new member. Absolutely love to see it. $1,400 profit on the day, man. Absolutely crushing it, man. It's a very, very nice chart. The chart literally resembles how SPY reacted right before it crashed. He fucking crushed it. So big shout out to that, man. But yeah, man, as you can see, we are absolutely crushing it. We are the fucking best. Our group is at all-time fucking highs, leveling up non-fucking stop, man. It's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. Losing's a personal fucking choice. Look at the fucking results, man. every single day. We're getting 5-star testimonials. Every single day, our group is pushing for our group is hitting new all-time highs within memberships, man. We are printing and we are going green non-fucking stop. Are you seeing this, man? Look at the fucking results. $8,700 profit on SPX. You seeing this? SPX puts. Are you guys fucking awake yet? We are the fucking best. People said it's impossible. People said this was impossible to consistently have 1,000% wins, to have this high of a win rate, to have this good of a fucking system. They just said it was impossible. To us, this is normal. This is normal. The people in our group, once they, get into the flow, they get our rhythm, they start to realize, wow, this is like normal here. And if you go in any other fucking group, you're going to see there's a massive fucking difference. We are the absolute best. Do you see the gains? 5,860 put, 700% return. 5,845, 340% return. 5,850, 1,200% return. You would genuinely have to question on why the fuck aren't you fucking in here? Are you looking at the fucking results, man? If someone's watching this fucking video, like seriously question, why the fuck aren't you fucking in here, man? This is unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. The best real-time zero-day options trading alert system. The best secured private network on the fucking planet. Man, look at this fucking $1,000 gain. It's unlimited fucking gains. It's unlimited fucking winning. It's unlimited fucking gains. Non-fucking stop. 200 to 380, 180. We're making fuck you money within minutes. Within minutes, we're outperforming everyone. In fucking 10 minutes during fucking power hour. In 10 single fucking minutes. Every single day. SPX extravaganza YOLO fucking party. 3:30 to fucking 4 p.m. every single fucking day. You can risk $100 to make $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000 plus sometimes on a single fucking contract, man. $47,000 profit. Are you guys fucking awake? Are you guys fucking awake yet? My fucking gosh. Look at all the fucking green. Unlimited fucking green. Unlimited fucking printing. Non-fucking stop. Our group is the absolute fucking best. You can't name a single other trader or a single other group out there who is doing as well as we are, who are performing as good as we are, who has the best real-time zero-day options trading system on the fucking planet. We are the absolute fucking best, man. This is fucking amazing, man. I'm telling you, our fucking group speaks for its fucking selves, man. Our presence fucking shows, man. Look at the reviews, the testimonials, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. It's fucking amazing. Everything we've done, everything we've created, our evolution, we are leveling up non-fucking stop, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. Is the first link down below within the description. If you would like to trade alongside us and join us, you'll be trading alongside and surrounded by multi-millionaire fucking traders who are buying cheap, low-risk, zero-day option contracts, printing at the speed of fucking light. It is unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. Non-fucking stop, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. It's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, man. Our group, our community, extremely fucking active. It's active during all fucking hours of the day, man. All fucking hour. 1 a.m., fucking 2 a.m. This doesn't fucking stop, man. Our group is so fucking strategic at printing non-fucking stop. It's unlimited fucking money, man. It's unlimited fucking money, unlimited fucking trades, unlimited fucking winning. It's just fucking amazing, man. So if you want to be a part of our secure private network, of our group, it's the first link down below within the description. You gain access to our trades. You gain access to real-time zero-day option trading alert system. You gain access to a secured private network who's trading zero dates and printing money non-fucking stop. Unlimited fucking trades, man. I mean, as you can see, this is one of our, better days, one of our more best days. In terms of our best day, it's over 3,000% in gains. With all of these wins combined in on the ads, it's literally over 3,000% fucking gains. If you have a 3,000% return, that means you could have 3,100% losses in a row and still be fucking green. So if you make a 3,000% return in one fucking day, that means you can have 100% loss every single day for the next 30 days and have 30 days and have 29 fucking red days in a fucking row and still be fucking up. How the fuck can anyone be fucking red? Options give you options, but they also give you fucking leverage. These massive fucking wins, well, it gives us fucking, we're up 3,000%. All right, 3,000%. Well, we figured out a way to go fucking green. We're up 3,000 fucking percent. Let's say we had fucking 29 fucking red days in a row, 100% loss each fucking red day. Oh, we're still fucking green. Win rate doesn't fucking matter. We have a fucking system. Hello, is anyone fucking awake? We have a system. Win rate does not fucking matter. We have the highest win rate because we're the fucking best. That's why we have the highest win rate. Fuck. Do we need it? No. When you're the fucking best, you don't need a high fucking win rate. The fuck? We could have a day, we have a fucking low, sir. We could have a fucking day, we're losing non-fucking stop on the day. People are bitching, people are whining, people are fucking complaining, people are going fucking red. We show up last 10 minutes during power, I'll make 1,000% return, and then we flip the fucking green. The fuck? A win rate? You think a win rate fucking matters? Not the way we trade. No, win rate doesn't matter over here. We actually fucking trade. We have a real-time zero-day options trading alert system. Cheap, low risk, zero-day options, max risk per trade. Most we lose is what we put into the trade. Most we make is unlimited profit potential. Unlimited fucking profit potential leverage. We add to the wins to double the wins, right? Add to the wins to triple the wins. Triple the gains. To double to triple the gains. Set the profit stop. You know, how the fuck you gonna go green to red if you set a profit stop? You're not. You're gonna get profit stopped out. And we move the profit stop up higher in case the market has a big fluctuation against us. We get profit stopped out at our price, not where the market drops instantly, right? Not where the market fluctuates instantly. At our fucking price, where we set it at. And, you know, you can detach some of your position size, sell some of that deep in the money, you know, sell some of that where you want your runners, right? But like I said, man, updated market open game plan, key levels, plug into your Thinkorswim charts. That's who we use to trade with. Thinkorswim, Schwab. No fucking sponsorship needed. No fucking affiliate commission needed. No fucking contract. No fucking free as a fucking bird. Nobody can control us. We can do whatever the fuck we want. We don't need any fucking thing. You understand? What do we need? Nothing. Just unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. That's what we fucking do. We show up with presence. We win every single fucking day. You understand? That's what we fucking do. We win when we're fucking sleeping. We win when the market's fucking open during extended hours. You can use my levels during fucking extended hours. You could trade fucking futures with my levels. You could trade prop firm with my fucking levels. Losing is a personal fucking choice. You can make money any fucking time. You can make money in your fucking sleep. You can make money fucking extended hours, prop firms, futures. You can make money normal trading hours. We're making money non-fucking stop. It's a 24 fucking 7 printing fucking machine. Do you understand? You are looking at a fucking portal, a fucking mirror that can change your fucking life, man. I'm telling you, our network, our secure private organization, this is game changing. This is life changing. Do you see the results? $5,000 profit, $47,000 profit. It's like we give so much. We give the game plans, give the curriculum, show you how to be self-sufficient. We show you how to be profitable before you join the group. So when you join the group, you're going to have experience, but you're not just going to have fucking experience. You're going to be like, wow, the fucking trading here is at fucking all-time fucking highs. The trading here is fucking amazing. There's no other fucking group doing this. So if you guys are fucking awake, I would encourage you to click the first link down below in the description and to join the fucking group, because we are going to finish this week very, very strong within the green. Fridays are our absolute best fucking trading days, man. Do you understand? Friday is the last fucking trading day of the fucking week. We don't like when the market's closed, you know? Fucking Saturday, fucking Sunday, we don't fucking like when the market's closed. So on fucking Fridays, we make sure we show up with the biggest fucking profits, man. The fuck? We don't like when the fucking market is closed for 2 fucking days like that. So on fucking Fridays, you're going to see, it's fucking amazing, man. You're going to fucking see, man. We're going to finish this week strong and green as fuck. It's the first link down below in the fucking description, man. You can join the group. You can print non-fucking stop. You can gain a fuck ton of experience trading alongside multi-millionaires. You can level up and gain experience. If you're serious about changing your fucking life, if you're serious about transforming, if you're serious about getting fucking results, if you're serious about, investing into a secure private network who's mastered zero-day options, a secure private network where you're getting access to the best real-time zero-day options trading alert system on the fucking planet, it's the first link down below within the description. You can join right now. It is the first fucking link. You can start printing right now. You can turn your money printer on fucking Friday and market fucking open, and you can make these massive fucking wins. You're gonna see. In terms of, I'll put them all. We'll put them all up on the post. I'll post them up. When we close out the plays, I'll post them on the channel. You'll see on the YouTube post. You'll see all these massive fucking wins. It's gonna be unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking printing. So you get to decide what you want to do. You can come with us. You can join. You can print non-fucking stop, or you can go on your own path. Be self-sufficient. You know, I'm telling you, man. Leveling up. You're surrounded by the right people, right experience, right group. Multi-millionaires start leveling up like fucking crazy, man. And you can be self-sufficient inside of our group. You can use our, system as confirmations for your trades that you want to make. I mean, at the end of the day, we buy the most far the money, cheapest, lowest risk strikes that give you the biggest percentage gains, cheapest, lowest risk. We have the best system on the fucking planet. So, if you want to join us, it's the first link down below in the description. We are going to print non-fucking stop. I'm telling you, Fridays are absolute best days. And I already got the list, man. I already got a list of stocks. Like I said, I'm coming in tomorrow with a couple stocks on my radar, man. And then the game plan on SPY is going to be fucking brilliant. It's going to be a clean fucking sweep, man. This tomorrow, we're going off. Look, we just made 3,000 fucking % on Thursday, on the overall day. On fucking Friday? Oh, just fucking wait. You just fucking wait. Just wait till you see what we fucking do on Friday, man. I would encourage you to get the fuck in here, man, because you are going to fucking print non-fucking stop. Join the fucking group, print money, and have an amazing fucking weekend. It's that fucking simple. That's all you have to fucking do. You just have to join the group, take the fucking trades, have an amazing fucking weekend. It's as simple as fucking that. That's all you have to fucking do. Your choice. Me, I know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm gonna print non-fucking stop tomorrow. It's gonna be unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print, non-fucking stop. With that being said, I'm gonna be signing off.